Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to delete shapes within your CAD feature. And this will be for FabriCAM software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head into the program here. Now, deleting your shapes, this is also pretty straightforward. And this is something you might use often, seeing that there is no undo or redo. So you might find that you place a shape, maybe with the wrong size or placement. Then sometimes the best thing to do is just to remove it. There is other ways we can go about changing it, and that a bit more advanced, but we will be covering that as well. So now when it comes to deleting shapes, that is pretty straightforward if you are not on the wrong thing. So if I have a shape selected, and let's say I'm just going to put in some random values, say okay, and then I want to delete this shape. If I click on that, you see nothing happens. Same way if I have placement selected, nothing will happen until you've clicked twice. So if I've clicked and then click again, then you can see we can actually select the shape. Just make sure you do select on the blue lines, because anywhere else nothing will happen. You can also obviously drag and drop and make a selection of that. Now if you're also stuck and you cannot select, it is worthwhile using one of these buttons. So let's say maybe the pan, and then you click the pan again, and then what will happen is it will deactivate any of these features that was active, and then you can select your shape. Then once you have your shape selected, you can simply just hit the delete key on your keyboard, which is normally on top of the arrows. If you look down at your keyboard, you've got arrows on top, is delete, so same as most other programs. And if you have a numpad, also at the bottom right next to the enter, there will also be a delete. Then if you press that button, it will delete the shape for you. But like I said, keep in mind, there's no undoing that. So now you can't just quickly hit undo or Control Z and bring it back. That shape is gone. So don't just go recklessly and click on things deleting it, unless you don't mind some extra work at putting them back. So just otherwise a quick recap. So delete shapes, make sure you select your shape first, very important, and only the ones you want to delete, and then you press your delete key on your keyboard, and you can go on from there. But yeah, otherwise that is it on deleting shapes. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.